On behalf of Club Luzon, the Central Luzon, Region 36, we would like to extend our warmest greetings to Malasakit, Matatag, Mapagmahal, Eagles Club under Central Luzon, Region 1 on your first year anniversary. We congratulate you, Kuya Gopper, the Governor of CLR1, and the Club President, Erwin Gabriel, for their leadership and dedication. We are extending our greetings from you, from us, Black Knights Kuwait Eagles Club, Black Knights Kuwait Lady Eagles Club, Kuwait Golden Eagles Club, Kuwait Golden Lady Eagles Club, represented by me, your Kuya Mar, Kuya Jude, Ate Devi, and Ate Jo. May your club continue to thrive and bring camaraderie, fun, and meaningful experience to all of its members. Happy anniversary!
Malasakit, Matatag, Mapagmahal, Eagles Club!
Ganyan.